And your wife. Yeah, he played your wife. She fucking distressed. Played my fucking brother on me. Well, play me now. Play me now. Fucking me. I'm gonna fuck your whole fucking world. What happened? He fucked up his bobcat. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck up his whole fucking world. He don't know. I'm gonna fuck him up or he'll. That's all. I'm gonna fuck him up with in another way. Fuck it. You wanna play your bullshit, stupid shit. Play that shit.